Good morning. It's hump day. It's Wednesday. It's the Bubba Show. So since we have so little news, I thought today would be a great day to talk about options and the option market. And even if you're not an option trader, the benefits you can derive from trading a derivative. I'd like that. So, when you're looking at the option market, options will typically dictate a possible move in the stock before the stock knows it's going to make the move. Because options are based on leverage. Options are based on what we call an implied volatility. As implied volatility rises in the option market, it signifies that there is a move or an announcement forthcoming in that particular stock. And if you go back and look a couple of weeks ago, there was Lululemon. The volatility was spiking unbelievably high. So we knew that there was a move forthcoming. We didn't know which way. Now, it doesn't give us direction, but typically the moves will move in the direction of the technical way the chart is moving. So when you focus and you look, you go, oh, the volatility is rising. This gives me an indication. So if you trade options, you know what to do. If you trade stocks, that gives you an indication that the direction of the chart that's going in is probably going to continue. And with Lulu, it was reaching a level of resistance, and the news came out and turned out to be bad. And these are things you focus on. If you go back and look at last week, actually a week ago Friday, about 10 days ago, you go back and look at Netflix, volatility was exploding, and we were expecting some sort of move, and in fact we got the move. Same in Amazon. And these are things that you want to look at as volatility starts to explode. It means that the stock is going to make some sort of move because options traders are getting involved and they are driving up the volatility. Rising volatility signifies a move. As you see before earnings, volatility rises. As you see before FDA announcements with drug companies, volatility starts to move up. And this is something that's very important, that whether or not you trade options, this will help you become a better trader. It's another indicator that will help you decide that if you're at a support level in an uptrending stock and volatility is rising, it's probably a pretty good buy. And this allows us to reach up and go ahead and buy things or sell things that we might not normally sell at that time, but because of the volatility, the market assumes and figures to move in that direction. So I hope this helped, and if you have other topics you'd like to talk about, please email me to todd@averagejoeoptions.com or todd@amesh.com. Bubba's Picks, I hope you like the new format. For Wednesday, the Bubba Show, we'll talk to you on Thursday.